going on, guys? So we're out here with Mead and his big Tundra. This thing sounds good with the old 5.7. We're going to break down exactly what he's got done, and then we're going to try to get some exhaust clips, and then maybe in the next video we might do a little exhaust battle with Larry or with Baby Squat, so we'll see. But 2014 Tundra. If you want to see all that's done to it, I'll put a link to that video in the description. We've got a whole breakdown of everything that's done. But if we get under here, it's a Catless True Dual with Flowmaster mufflers. So, Catless True Duals, no crossover. Let's go over here and look at the mufflers. Super 40 Flowmasters right here, going all the way back. So, like I said, Catless True Duals, no crossovers, Flowmasters, going back some, look like some 5 by 18 inch tips, about the same thing that's on Larry. You can't go wrong with a True Dual setup, and with Catless, it's pretty tame with the Flowmasters. Honestly, it's about perfect for daily driving. It's not obnoxious.
Yeah,
but
when you get on it, you can hear it. But if you're just cruising,
yeah, is it drone any? None. Yeah.
nope.
Yeah, it's definitely a good setup. Catless usually gets a little extreme, but with the Flowmasters, it quietens it down to where it's not obnoxious. So I guess we're gonna go take it for a cruise, get some exhaust clips on the inside, the outside, some revs, see what it's all about. Let's do it. this truck is tuned and everything, so like on the revs, I know mine has like a super slow deceleration due to the tuning. His comes back down real fast and it sounds really good. Has that old school V8 sound to it. Not a ton of people, I don't think, on YouTube doing Tundra stuff, is there? I hadn't really looked into it, but
all the guys that I've seen is just like doing like, oh, here's a wireless charger tray that you can put in the middle of the thing. That's about it.
Everybody loves some good exhaust clips and videos, so I knew we had to do that, and this one pretty much has got one of the best exhaust setups, I think. You gonna change it, do you think, or you leave it the same?
I'm not sure yet. Let's just get through the wheels and tires first.
Yeah, wheels and tires are eating them up.
I am going to change out the tips.
Oh, really? How you going to do them?
I'm going to do a 7-inch octagon shape.
You're lying. Please don't.
You got to go with all the...
Come on, 1,000 likes and he won't do it. I don't know. I mean, it's your truck. Do what you want. I just don't like the octagon ones. But,
it's something different.
Yeah, that's true.
Some big goes with all the heavy duty bumpers and stuff.
That's true. That's true. Have you decided anything else about the headache rack? You deciding to keep it, or what you thinking?
I'm gonna keep it until I get the roof rack.
Comment down below or leave a like if you want to see a little baby squat Silverado 5.3 versus the Tundra 5.7 action.
With Larry.
Oh, Larry's probably a better competitor for you, because we got Catless with mufflers, we got catted without mufflers, and then over there we got -2 mufflers and -2 cats and no mufflers.
I know, I was wondering what you was doing whenever you pulled in the gears and you hit the brakes and was going. I was like, what is this guy
How to give you that clap attack.
And rocking the world.
I still have got people have been bashing me for not filming the Larry video. I got to get it done this week. That's gonna about do it for the Tundra video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell us what you want to see. He does have some wheels and tires picked out that he's gonna be doing. But yeah, anything else you want to see on the truck or see us do or anything? Maybe have to take some off-road and stuff. We can talk meat into it.
I'm down. Anything for the channel.
Let's do it. So we'll see you in the next one. All right, we're running out of daylight, so we can't do the Chevy versus Toyota comparison today. But I'm gonna hit your Tundra with a little baby squat semi-cold start. So if it gets scared and runs off, don't blame me, all right?
I doubt it will.
Oh. 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 Ooh.
Talk about how my truck was going to run away. Didn't yours run a little bit faster than mine?
Yeah. Oh, it was scared. Yeah. It was trying to get away. It all makes sense now.
Big old monster truck behind a, what do you call it, squatty?
Little squat truck. Dang, it makes sense. I never even thought about it like that. Unreal.